In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use the Logitech G29 on Roblox on the PlayStation 4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, many games on PlayStation 4 have native steering wheel support, so if you have used your Logitech G29 to play racing games before, such as Gran Turismo 7, you might have used it there natively. So all that you would have to do is plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 4, open the game, and as long as it was properly recognized, immediately upon going over to the settings and changing the sensitivity, force feedback, and making sure that the steering wheel is selected, you would be able to control your driving and vehicles inside of the game itself. Now, what about Roblox? What if you do the same? So you go back into your PlayStation 4 home screen, you open Roblox, you navigate through the PlayStation menu using the steering wheel itself, but when you get inside of Roblox, even though you might be able to select the experience using the steering wheel, once you do get inside, you won't be able to move around. Regardless of the input that you try to do, nothing will happen inside of the experience. So as it stands today, is this because the game lacks support, or is there some sort of workaround that you have to do before you use the steering wheel? Well, even if you go over to the in-game settings and you browse through all of the options, even though you will be able to change things related to your camera, movement, and so on, you will not be able to change the input device. And because Roblox does not feature any sort of native steering wheel support, it means that using your G29 on Roblox on a PlayStation 4 or any other console is impossible. Sadly, as it stands today, the platform in which Roblox is designed does not have steering wheel support. Unless it is added in the future, you will not be able to do this natively on a PlayStation 4. The only way that you can use the G29 on Roblox is if you are playing on PC and you use one of these programs that allow you to manually change every single input. But this is a lengthy process, and of course, you need to do it on a PC, so I'm not going to go over too much detail in this video. The answer to the question in the title is no. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use Logitech G29 on Roblox PlayStation 4, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.